In this short video we will show how you can use the C Electrical Autogen add-on to generate a complete set of electrical diagrams, including all desired graphical lists in less than 1 minute. We start by creating a new project file where no project texts are filled and there is just one blank new circuit diagram page present. There is already a project cover sheet set up in this project, but it does not contain any customer or technical data yet. We will now right-click on Circuit Diagrams and select Auto-Generate Diagrams to start the Autogen function. Here we can select a specific Excel file containing the information we want to generate. In this Excel file we defined which project texts to fill, which pages to create and which symbols to place. This setup you have to do once, and then all we need to do is click OK to start generating electrical circuit diagrams. In this example we also check the option to automatically generate some graphical lists, after our diagrams are generated. This video is not fast-forwarded but real-time. In the status bar at the bottom you can see the pages being generated, followed by the graphical lists being automatically generated to complete our electrical documentation. In about 35 seconds C Electrical now generated 37 pages of electrical diagrams and then generated 73 pages of graphical lists based on these electrical diagrams. Symbols with the same component names like PLC cards and their PLC signals, and also relay coils and their contacts are automatically linked by smart sheet cell references. We can also see that a lot of project texts like customer contact details, technical specification, and even our own address information has now been filled from the Excel file. After auto-generating a project you can still do all the manual changes you are used to, or if you see a problem just correct information in the Excel file. Save the Excel file and generate the project again. Just click on Yes to delete all pages. This way the corrections are also in your Excel file for future use. Of course you can also select No if you want to use Autogen functionality to add specific pages to an already existing set of circuit diagrams. For example, to add a complete set of PLC reference cards and their linked PLC signals. We can now see the changes made in the Excel file being applied in our project. When all the pages are generated, a list of documents will be generated to complete our documentation. Graphical lists we chose to automatically generate are the component list, cable core list, PLC I/O list, parts list, terminal matrix, terminal plan, and cable terminal row plan. All that remains is to make a smart PDF document of this project using our C Electrical PDF writer and send it to our customer. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about this powerful C Electrical add-on or you are interested in a training on how to use this function to optimize your electrical engineering process, don't hesitate to contact us. We are happy to offer advice on how to take your engineering to the next level.